Alright, hi guys, Ryan here for Polar Fox Technologies, Polar Fox APU. As you can see, I'm in a super sleeper condo truck here. Our first install we've done in one of these units. We did a 24 volt system, 10,000 BTU. A pretty interesting setup here. We actually put our condenser fan and coil up on the roof. First time we've done that. Came out pretty well. Also, back here, we've got the evaporator blower motor box right over on this side. And he had an older system in here that he took out. So there's already factory ducting. And we was able to get a T here and plumb directly right into those two ducts. We had real nice airflow coming out of those. Then on our other duct, we came out right out the bottom here. So compressor went in right over here on the other side. So everything fit in here real nice. He had a lot of other boxes, so really wasn't too concerned about space under here because it's pretty well all taken up by mechanicals anyways. We did not install our panel yet. A little complicated over here. He wanted to have this over here, so it's a little bit more in depth. So the customer, he's going to put that in himself here once he gets back home. So that's all that. But we had it running a little bit ago. We're doing some work right now, finishing up down in the battery box with an inverter and stuff. So we got everything unhooked. But I had real nice airflow in here, especially with those two direct ducts hooked up. So it worked out really nice. We'll go outside and show you those items. This truck originally had a generator in this box right here. The customer, he took that out himself. He did a self-install on our dual-purpose lithium batteries, the 4 here, up in the original battery box. So you got 4 batteries up there. Like I said, he took the generator out of this box. And he did some pretty nice work in here where he put some stainless down, enclosed everything. He's going to enclose the rest of this as well. So we added 2 more batteries in here for a total of a 600 amp hour system. We've got our step-up transformer 12 to 24 volt for 24 volt system. So again, I know there might be a little bit of confusion when we say 24 volt. Your truck does not have to be 24 volt. We don't change it over to 24 volt. We just step it up from 12 to 24. So nothing other than the AC itself is hooked up to that. So like I said, he's going to get all this enclosed and everything, so it's nice and dry in here. And then we put in our new 3000 watt inverter as well, and I hooked this up, put a plug on this and hooked this up to where his original 110 AC power came out of the generator. So we hooked that directly up to the inverter, so it just goes right over to the switch gear to shore power. And the last feature on this would be the condenser unit, which is up on top of the truck here. And it's actually pretty, as you'll see, there's no hose. You can only see a little bit of the hoses up here on the left side of the cab where they came down. We actually ran them down through where that chrome is, so you can't even see none of the hoses other than like 6 inches up there. Now we'll go up on top here, and I will show you the. So there's our condenser unit and fan mounted right behind. He's got another little duct fan there. And we got the hose and harness secured and comes right around back. So really not much you can see unless you're standing really, really far away, then you'd be able to see that. So. Okay, so like I said, this was the first one of these we've done on one of these bigger sleeper units. So I was pretty impressed with the way it came out. Everything went pretty easy for the most part. We're always looking for new challenges out there. If you got something special you're wanting to do, we're open to it. So check us out at polarfoxapu.com. And also keep in mind, we are looking for dealers, installers. I'm looking for people, California, Arizona, that whole Sun Belt down there. So if you're interested, reach out to us as well. So with that, that's pretty much it for it today, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for updates, and like the video.